Namaste. Today we are going to see a topic on the magic of thinking big. The true secret of success depends on your thinking. How to earn more depends on your thinking. How to lead a fearless life depends on your thinking. And how to live a happier life, it depends on thinking. So you have to understand the magic of thinking big. If you think big, your life will be so successful. People like you dare think big. Most of the people, they never dare think big because they think about whether we fail in our life. So why most of the people never think big. But I tell you, think big always if you want to succeed in your life. If you see here, the principles of thinking big, this derived from the highest pedigree sources, the very finest and biggest thinking mind of so many people. They have did their experiments and they proved in their life and they have written. Among one of the writer, he is Milton. He wrote a book called Paradise Lost. In that he noted that the mind in its own place and in itself can make a heaven or hell. See, I hope you understood this one. If you want your life a heaven, that this depends on you. If you want your life in a hell, that also depends on your mind. That is the thinking power of your mind. If you think big, your life will be heaven. If you are not thinking big, your life will be in a hell. That is what the Milton, he quoted in his book, The Paradise Lost. Thinking big does magic. It's proven by many psychologists as well as the topmost successful man in the society. See, you are listening now the class. This proves that you are interested in large success. If you are thinking in your mind to succeed, then only you see this video. So, it's a wonderful quality. And what you do next, if you want to fulfill your desire, you look for the tools. This is another admirable quality in you. So, what you have seen here, if you are seeing this video, the desire started among your brain, so why you are seeing this video. And that is your first quality. And the second quality, you are searching for the tool to succeed in your life. The tools are the meditation, visualization and fearlessness. These are the main tools to make your life so successful. I'll teach about this in the later parts, how to do the meditation, how to do visualization and how to come out from your fear. Everything part by part I'll put in the video. So now you just observe this class. See, these tools helps you to succeed in your life. First and foremost thing what you want to know is where you want to go in your life. What is your ambition? What is your goal? That should be damn sure in your mind. Then you can succeed very easily in your life. And thinking part is more important than the intelligence. Okay, see, for example, one person is very intelligent, but he never succeed in his life. But which is making you to succeed in your life is your thinking part. So I am telling, thinking big always. If you want to succeed in your life, think big. And why I am telling to think big always, in the sense, if you think big, that attracts good luck to you always. How to think big? For this, you have to keep this. Build your confidence level. Build your confidence level. How to build your confidence level? See, when you are thinking big, automatically your confidence level rises. And if you do the visualization that you are seeing so many, see, you will set one goal, right? Towards that goal, your visualization should be, or your imagination. You have to imagine. See, for example, you want to build a very big organization, then you have to visualize that you are in that organization and you are MD of that organization. If you visualize like that, then your confidence level automatically it rises up. That is the first thing. Second one, build friendship. You have to select your friends. You have to select only good friends. That is, the friends around you always encourage you to move towards your goal. They have to talk positively towards your goal. So such friends you have to develop. Such friends you have to make it. So automatically your goal slowly goes step by step up. The third one, master the technique of thinking. How to think, that also it's a technique. So you have to master it. How? In the sense, the good thoughts in the sense, in the last previous videos I have told about the positive thoughts. Whenever you are thinking, you have to think positively. When the negative thinking come into your mind, you have to delete those things and you have to make your thoughts be positive always. Okay, and the people around you also you have to think positively, that the people around you are very good people. You have to think like that and you have to move towards your goals. And the most important, the fourth point is, your brain is a bank. You have to think that one. Your brain is a bank. What are the thoughts you are putting inside? It will be deposited there. Continuously it will be deposited. So you have to think about the thoughts what you are putting into your brain. That's why I told you in the previous class, I told you, you have to think always positive. Whenever the negative thoughts come into your mind, just delete it and make it positive and deposit in your bank. That makes you to grow up. Okay, that makes you, that lift you, your confidence level step by step up. And a small example I'll tell you how to make your thinking in a big level. First of all, you have to set a goal. That is in a higher level, you have to set a goal and you have to put what you thought, what is your thinking. Whether you want to build an organization or if you want to construct a big house, that one you have to put in your mind. Then that is which mind in the sense, it is subconscious mind. This is scientifically it says, this is a term. Actually simply if I want to say in the sense, it is inner mind. You have to send that goal to your inner mind. Then your inner mind will take it and it visualize. See, this visualization you can keep a picture or you can imagine in your mind itself. And definitely after few days you will succeed what you have think or what thought you put in your mind. A small example I'll tell you. See, for example, you are always want to live in a big villa. You are thinking that you want to live in a big villa. So what you do, a big villa come into your mind, the picture, everything, the visualization you'll have, the imagination of your villa, you are putting in your mind. Okay. So who will take that visualization or that imagination in the sense? It is the subconscious mind, that is your inner mind. I will clearly give a class about the subconscious mind and the conscious mind and superconscious mind also there. I'll take a class afterwards. So first you imagine that this villa, this imagination or the visualization. How you imagine in the sense a big villa in your mind that comes. And visualization in the sense, a picture about a beautiful villa. You can take a copy and paste it where you always see. that area you have to paste it. Maybe it is a wall or on your table or in your room or where you want to see often, that place you have to fix it. And every day you are seeing this, at least 5 or 6 times you are seeing this picture. After few days, you will get a big villa. It is sure. I'm very sure about it because I also experienced the same way. I give one small example. When the first baby was in my womb, I kept a picture on the wall, a beautiful baby's picture. So every day morning when I get up, I see that picture. So the duration in that, till the last day of the pregnancy, I saw the same picture. What was happened, the beauty is my son after the birth, he looks like the same in that picture what I have seen throughout my pregnancy. So from that, I'm telling it is sure you will also succeed in your life. So if you are come across all those things, so your brain is the main bank that you have. So put all the thoughts in a high level, that is raise your confidence level, make your friendship in a good way, and you have to learn the technique. What are the techniques to master your thinking? And the thing is, make all the thoughts positive. Thank you.